What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently, we're sitting at 24K, up 1.4 on the day, putting in our wave C. Senior market cap at 450 AB, 24-hour volume, 24.26 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, grab up to 30K in bonuses or BitGet up to 8K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into BTC. So we're calling for that wave C for BTC to push us up into our target zone, which is exactly what happened here. Now we may put one more wave up in a wave 5, but we already have reached the 50% retracement, so we can drop from here. Now, if we invalidate the wave 4, that's more confirmation that this pullback is complete. The maximum retracement is 23.6K. So we break 23.6. This wave count is finished and we see the continuation to the downside, which is what we've been calling for here on the channel. Taking a look at our next chart on the weekly time frame, rejected off the 200 EMA, the 55 EMA. Bearish divergences on the daily time frame look like they're playing out, so what we're looking for is to come down, potentially create a head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then come all the way down to about 19K. I don't want to keep repeating myself, as I have been mentioning this in every video. Taking a look at the DXY, we're coming down to our 103 support, where we'll be looking for a bounce that could take you up to 106, and that's when you see the continuation to the downside for the price of BTC. The Dow Jones looks like it's about to break down, and this will bring down the entire stock market as well as crypto. If we look at the Dow, we're starting to lose the support of this double top descending triangle. So if that support is lost, we've printed the bearish cross on the daily time frame, just about to print it, the 20 EMA over the 55. So it looks like the Dow is going to come down, and that's going to drag the market down with it. So we've been calling for lower prices since about 25K. So far it's playing out. We're short Bitcoin and Ethereum in the Discord, which I gave signals for, making some juicy gains there. So we'll see if we put in that wave 5 to complete the 5-way move in a wave C, or if it's already complete here, we come down, we break 23.6, and we begin to come down in the wave 3 of C. I'll give you a target for that. If we were to start to break down from this level, take your trend base of extension from the top of wave 1 to the bottom of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 2. Let's say we break down from here, then your wave 3 target is all the way down. Oh, we'll just remove that fib quickly. Your wave 3 target, oh man, it removed the wrong fib. Get it together, Jax, you absolute amateur. Would be all the way down at 20.1K. Put in the wave 4 and the final wave 5. That could easily take you down to that 19K range, which lines up with that head and shoulders target, as well as the support of a potential ascending triangle. So everything's playing out as we've been predicting, which is nice to see. It doesn't always work that way. So as I mentioned, we've been rejected by the 50% retracement, but we might put in one more wave up in a 5, but look for a rejection in between 23.9, 24.6, and seeing continuation to the downside. That's what I think is the probable scenario. Sign up to either Bybit or BitGet, grab those bonuses, email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. Mahalo alt plays, all of that is coming in at $10 per month. You really can't beat it. Same price as a Netflix subscription. Sign up through the Patreon link. It's the first of the month. Great time to sign up, as you are charged upon sign up as well as the first of every month. So if you sign up now, then you get the full month's benefit, and then it will charge you again on the 1st of April. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.